Good afternoon, P1 students. How are you today? Today is Wednesday and it's the 29th of October 2020. So for today's learning target or objective for today is that you will be able to identify if the sentences below, I'll show you later, are true, it means correct, or false, it means not correct. So this is a continuation of our 5 senses, right? Continuation of our 5 senses review. So this will be included in your test, a similar one, but maybe some of the sentences are the same. But all you have to do is you have to read the sentence as many times as you want to really understand what the sentence is telling you. Is it a true? Is it true? Is it real? Or is it false, not correct, or not true? Alright, so again, this is a review about your 5 senses, because in our topic, our last unit in our book, it talks about sounds. So before we go deeper into the sounds, I want you to really understand what are the 5 senses. What body parts, or what are the body parts and its purpose, or like the functions, right, of those body parts. We use our eyes to what? To smell, to hear, and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm gonna show you this one. So in your test, in your final test, you will see this picture. So the reason why I review it today, because maybe you forgot about it already, or maybe you just need to look at it one more time before the test, right? So this is a picture of what? Nose? No. Mouth or tongue? Nope. This is the eye, or there's only one, we say eye. If there's two, we say eyes. So our eyes are used to see or sight, right? So remember that. So eyes for sight or see. Nose for smelling or smell. Ears to hear or listen. And then our tongue to taste, and our hands to touch. So on your test, just remember that this one, eyes is for sight or see, nose, smell, ear or ear, hear, tongue, taste, hands, touch. Alright, so what you're going to do today is that you are going to read some sentences and you will answer if that sentence is true, is it correct, or that sentence is wrong or false. Right? So there are 5 examples of sentences that you are going to click true if it's correct and false if it's not correct. So here, I use my eyes. Hold on. There should be a space. I use my eyes to see, or we use our eyes for sight. Is it true? Yes. If it's true, so you're going to check this box over here, right? So you should be careful when you choose, because like this, I'm gonna show you later how it will look like, okay? So I use my eyes to taste. Do we use our eyes to taste food? I don't think so, right? So for this one, is this correct? Is this the correct sentence? Is it true? No, right? So this is false. So you're going to see false. All right. So I'm sure you know how to do this. It's just a practice for your test. All right. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day and be ready for your test tomorrow. There is no pressure. I know you can do it, and I believe in your potential. Thank you and goodbye.